Hey everybody, got an unboxing. My Shaw order came in. Let's see what we got. Got the big frickin' gun pouch. Raid pouch V3. Sticker. This is the order inventory. Got the Omni insert. I want to try this out and see how that works. The day 4 bonus bundle. So if you shopped on Black Friday 4-day sale, they put one of these in. Small nerd pouch. The plate carrier pack, PCP. Arc side bucket armor. Tigris tool sheath. This goes with the PCP. Large nerd pouch. Raid soft armor. And this is what I was most excited about getting, the Arc armor upgrade, up armor upgrade. See how these work. There's going to be some more reviews incoming. Have a good one.